Get in the holiday spirit with our 12 days of cleaning tips. We'll help you handle those unexpected uh-ohs like a pro. Tip number 12, cleaning candy out of your carpet. Candy corn, candy canes, and syrup. Buddy the Elf is not the only one with a sweet tooth during the holidays, but what happens when those sticky goodies get caught in your carpet? We've got some tips to keep you in the holiday spirit. For hard candy, scrape off excess and use a mix of warm water and mild dish soap. To remove sticky syrup, blot with a damp cloth and apply a vinegar solution for quick and easy cleanup. That's a wrap for our 12 days of cleaning tips for the holidays. We hope you had fun learning how to tackle spots and spills like a pro. Ayoub wishes you a joyful and clean holiday season. Follow Ayoub all month for our 12 days of cleaning tips for the holidays. Tackle spills and spots like a pro.